Okay, so you're probably wondering, how on earth is this even possible? It sounds a little bit like magic, right? But there's actually a pretty clear concept behind it all. So let's pull back the curtain and take a peek at the engine that's making all of this happen.
So, what Anthropic has done is they've given Claude something they call Claude's computer. And what that really is, it's a secure, private little environment where Claude can actually write code and run programs. And that is the key. That ability to run programs is what lets it build these complex files and do all this analysis for you.
I think this is the absolute best way to understand the change. Before, Claude was basically an advisor. It could tell you how to build an Excel formula, but you had to go do it. Now it's a collaborator. You give it the strategy, you tell it what you want, and Claude handles the technical stuff. It actually builds the file for you.
So you're probably thinking, okay, I want to try this out. So how do you actually get started? Let's walk through the process, and I'm also going to share a really important note about staying safe when you use this feature.
It's actually a really simple four-step process. First thing you gotta do is hop into your settings and enable the feature. It's called Upgraded File Creation and Analysis. Then you just upload whatever files you're working with, or you can just describe what you want from scratch. As you go, you can chat with it, guide it if it needs a little help, and then finally, you just download your finished files or save them directly to your Google Drive. Easy as that. Okay, now this next part is super important. To do all this cool stuff, this feature actually gives Claude access to the internet. And Anthropic is being really upfront about this. It could put your data at risk. So you have to be really mindful of what you're uploading, and you've got to keep a close eye on your chats. Just please be careful with any sensitive information.